Hi, this is the Poodle guy, and I'm going to talk about how to make a shadow player. And as a preview of what we're going to do, we're first going to turn on our editing mode. Then we're going to add a Moodle activity to the course, and we'll add an audio file to that activity so we have something to base the shadow player on. Then we'll save that, go to the activity filter menu, and from there we'll select the shadow player as the MP3 player for that activity. And then when we go back and look at the page, we'll see that the audio file we created has been loaded into the shadow player. So the first thing we want to do is to add an activity to our course. So we put our course into editing mode. And then we add a new page activity to the course. Then we do the basic settings that we need for a page activity, which is just the title and the description. And then we insert an audio file onto the page. Now we'll record an audio file using one of the Poodle audio recorders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we save this activity, that audio file would usually be displayed as a fairly standard audio player, like this. However, in our case, we want to customize the player that is associated with MP3 files in the activity to make it a shadow player. So we go into the filter menu and we select shadow from the list of players alongside the MP3 player option, and we save the changes. And there the shadow player is displayed.